Well, hello everyone. It's Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I've been in, I've got two like outhouses. One used to be my coal house and the other one is my outhouse. And they're really bad shape and bad mess and they want tidying up. And a lot of rubbish wants thrown out. And I'm going to show you what I've been doing up to now anyway. I've sorted out the coal house, but the shed's going to have to wait till tomorrow because it took me a long time to clear that and to sort out where I wanted and where I didn't want in it. In fact, there's still some things on the, there's a couple of shelves in there that I need to sort out some of that stuff as well. So anyway, you can have a look at what I've been doing a little bit because it hasn't been very good weather today. It's not really, it hasn't been cold, but it hasn't been lovely and warm like it has, and it's been sort of overcast and a little odd bit of sunshine now and again, like, but not what we've had lately. So just take a look at what I've been doing. Well, I think it's time for a clear out, clean up and tidy out. This used to be my coal house. It now houses most of the garden stuff, trimmers, lawnmower, hedge cutter. There's a greenhouse, things for the upper greenhouse. I don't know that are ever going to get done. That's for the clean thing hanging on the shelf there. That's for to clean my car. I've got one of those washer things. Just stuff that needs sorting out. Some stuff's no good. My outhouse is in a terrible mess. Kids' toys, tables, door that my son might one day get put on the side. He's going to change that door there. But he has to cut the brick across the top, so he'll do it when he gets round to it. He put this door on for me. He put that door on for the back out into the back garden. And I also have a toilet, an outside toilet here. But in here needs a good clear out. There's a lot of stuff that was left behind from my husband. So he died in 2014, so a lot of it hasn't been touched. I have to sort out what I don't want and get rid of it all. The old table. It's got a hole in the middle that my husband put some drill stand thing in. No more toys and stuff up here. I haven't a clue what half of this is up here. So I'm going to sort it all out. Get rid of it. What's no good. I don't even know what half of it is. I just come in, plug the extension in and pull it out, and when I can step between everything that's on the floor and get into it. So that's my work for now. Well, that's everything out my coal house. I've brushed all the muck, I've left all the tools hanging up, or some of the tools. And there's stuff on the shelves because there's nothing much I can do with them. I probably need to throw some bits out because some of them will just be empty containers. And everything out here. There's a workmate I don't think it's ever been used. It was something, one of the last things my husband bought and never got round to using. I've got a couple of trimmers there that don't work. I think I'll put them on Gumtree and see what I can get for them. Some other tools that need to go back in. A rotavator that I just cannot get away with. I've tried using it, but it nearly takes me arm out my socket trying to start it. A petrol one it is. I think I'll put that on Gumtree as well. There's a sack barrow, my lawnmower, a hedge trimmer, and a greenhouse that I was going to put up, but I haven't gotten round to it, that I got off my granddaughter's partner's father. And that's one of those things for washing your cars I've got. I'll have to sort that out. I think the other part of that's in the garage. Oh, and that's one of those tools down there, that orange thing. What a crap it was. You're just putting the soil and, you know, you just do it like that with the, twist it around in the soil. It was no good for what I wanted to do. You have to have really good, very loose soil. Couple of three-tier mini greenhouse. One hasn't even been opened. It's been in there for years. One of them's been opened. I think I might put them on Gumtree as well because I don't really need them. So I'm going to have to sort out what I'm going to put back in the outhouse and make it easier to get in and out to get what I want. My seats, well, they just stay in the little passageway that go back upstairs in one of the bedrooms when the summer's over. Well, that's my coal house tidied up. Got plenty of room in there now. I'm going to sell the workmate. Couple of old trimmers and the cultivator because I no longer use them. And that's my lot for today. I'll do the shed tomorrow. Well, that's my little bit for today. I've done what I could and cleared out most of what I could. Now I'm going to make myself some tea and then I'm going to sit down after and do a little bit of my knitting. There's always tomorrow. Got plenty things to do tomorrow. And another little thing, that strimmer battery that I got from eBay, there was nothing wrong with it. It was my battery charger. It was a little bit flat when I got it, and I tried to put it on my charger to charge it and there was no light come on the charger, and I thought it was completely dead. But anyway, I left it on the charger. I forgot to take it off and I left it on the charger for a while, and I didn't notice till it was a couple hours later last night, and I took it off and I just left it. And I haven't got the refund yet, but it's in the process, between 3 and 5 days or something, they said, before the money would go back into my account. But anyway, today I decided to try, just out of curiosity, I tried that battery and it worked perfect. It was my battery charger. There's something gone wrong with the little light on it that tells you when something's charging and when it's not charging. So I had to send an apology to that to the fella that I bought it off, and hoping that he can stop the refund going through. But if it doesn't, I'll pay it again to him and sort it out. So I felt a little bit of a fool when I tried that strimmer. So I did a little bit trimming in my garden where all the weeds were over by my compost bins, because there was a lot of buttercups and things I had left for the bees and that to have it, but they were sort of dying off of it. So I thought I'll trim those, and so I trimmed some of those down because it wasn't digging over that little bit area. So my penance for today, I had to apologise to somebody. But anyway, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll let you see any other time anything else I get done. So bye for now.